travelers. Are you planning to hit the road and travel to the stunning Florida Keys? Well, we have several times, and we've rounded up 10 things you should know before coming. So buckle up and let's dive right in. We're in the Keys.
Back in the Keys, headed to Fiesta Key RV Park. It is absolutely beautiful out here, these turquoise waters. If you've never been, there's just nothing like coming to the Keys. And especially bring your RV so you can stay a while. One of the biggest tips that we can give you is to research, plan, and reserve. The Keys is a highly sought after destination, especially in the peak seasons like it is right now. Make your campground reservations well in advance, as they will fill up quickly, sometimes a year in advance. You also need to research what type of RV park you want to go to. Would you like to have a resort style with amenities and pools and things, or would you like to have a more secluded spot closer to nature? There are many examples down in the Keys. A good way to find that is by using RV Trip Wizard. RV Trip Wizard allows us to plan all of our trips as we travel across the country, and it will give you reviews, ratings, contact information for each campground in your area that you're looking at. RV maintenance. It's a long ride down to the Keys. You need to make sure that your RV, your trailer, your tow vehicle, whatever you're riding in is in good shape. You need to make sure that your tires, brakes, electrical system, and your hitches are all in good working order. There is services in the Keys, but sometimes it can take several hours to get to you.
Speaking of the road, prepare yourself for some unique driving experiences. The Overseas Highway is 113 miles long and is connected through a series of 42 bridges, including the 7-mile bridge.
Always check the weather before you head out and start planning your route. Hurricanes and thunderstorms are frequent down here in the Keys, unfortunately, and as you can tell on days like today by all the wind noise, that the wind can blow. So be wary of the weather, plan in advance, and make sure that you've got a good plan before you get down here.
Plan your itinerary. With the Keys stretching over 100 miles, each island has its own unique charm. Key Largo, more for your diving enthusiasts.
Then you've got Marathon and Isla Morada. The fishing there is world class.
And who can forget Key West for your more adventurous and partygoers. So be sure to take your time and enjoy each of the island's unique charms.
Expect peak season crowds. The Florida Keys attract tourists from all over the world, especially during the winter season like it is now. If you prefer a quieter experience, consider visiting in the off-season where there's less crowds and usually the prices are a little more budget friendly as well.
Protect the environment. The Keys are known for their fragile ecosystem with coral reefs and mangroves that support the diverse marine life.
Respect the environment by disposing of your trash properly, using reef-safe sunscreen, and be sure and avoid damaging our fragile coral reefs. And you can't miss Key West. This vibrant and lively city is the southernmost point of the continental United States, and it's a must-see while exploring the Keys. But keep in mind that parking can be quite challenging. Consider renting a golf cart, a moped, or carrying your bicycles to get around while you're exploring in Key West. Down in Key West, parking the beast is a challenge without a doubt. You can find these paved parking lots, and sometimes you can get into them, sometimes they're not. We got really lucky. It's the middle of the week, early in the afternoon, before the sunset celebration, and we're able to find us a good parking place here to get the big truck in. So it's a crapshoot sometimes whether you get down here. The streets are really tight, so take your time and be careful. You gotta come to Mallory Square and do the sunset with all the rest of the folks.
I'm getting attacked by birds.
Yeah, that too.
Don't forget to savor the local flavors. The Keys are known for their fresh seafood, so don't miss the chance to indulge in the conch fritters, the Cuban food, even the key lime pie, and a variety of other mouth-watering dishes that can make your taste buds sing.
So what'd you think? Was Habano's worth it?
Yeah, it was good. The
Beer battered
fish fingers
fingers, yeah, beer battered fish fingers
are huge.
Yeah, that was, one plate was enough for both of us to have
we
eaten.
could have split it, yeah.
But they have mahi, and then they also have grouper, and both were very tasty.
Yes, it was very good.
So, if you're in the Keys, check out some local places. This is a local place, Calusa Cove and Habano's. Lots of fishing boats, and the manatees are all out back. Good place to, really quiet here during the day, during the week. There wasn't hardly anybody around. But yeah, sounds like a deal. Key lime pie at the SS Wreck. What do you think?
It was really good.
It was a big old piece of pie.
I haven't had all the key lime pies on Key West, but that one is probably ranked right on up there.
It's in the top 3, I think. That one was definitely good. So you just won't get a better ride than this. You get out here in the Keys, get on US 1. It's always been our thing. Once you hit Key Largo, roll the windows down, get on island time, stop being in a hurry, and just enjoy being on island time. It's nice.
Bonus tip, just embrace the laid-back lifestyle.
The Keys are all about relaxing and soaking in the sun. So take it slow, unwind at the beach, have a sundowner, watch the sunset, and allow yourself to immerse into the island lifestyle where the time seems like it stands still here. And that's a wrap, fellow travelers. Now that you're all clued up, you got yourself 10 tips to get your RV into the Florida Keys. Have a fantastic trip, soaking up the sun, the sand, and the unforgettable experiences that the beautiful Florida Keys have to offer. Safe travels.
With the Keys stretching. God, you're so close.
My arm is only so long.
So be sure to check out all the island. Be sure to check out all the Number 5, plan your itinerary.
Support a diverse marine life. Respect the environment by disposing of your trash.
I thought we were going to do this separate together.
Oh, we're going to do this together. What part do I have?
You got the bad part. Coral reefs and mangroves.
Respect the environment by disposing of your trash properly. You just won't get a better drive than this.
Are we recording?
Yeah.
Oh.
You push the red button.
Oh.